Munchkins, it's Rebecca, and today we're going to be opening up one of these mini brands created by Zuru. And what's special about this one is that it's Disney themed. Now, I've opened up mini verses before, but I've never opened up a mini brands create. So this is going to be a first for me, and I'm very excited to see what it's like. The packaging itself is circular. It's a hard plastic, and it has a white outer layer, and it's intended for you to rip the layers and unravel different parts of it. So we'll see that there is going to be a yellow layer, and then we'll get to see what the color of the ball is, I believe. So on the first side, it says Zuru Mini Brands Create. That's their logo. And then it says Disney Snacks, and it says it's not edible because it's a toy. We have some safety information, some packaging information, and an image that says create new detailed minis, and an example of what one of the minis is like. But let's try to open it up. Wow, that opened up much easier than I thought it would be. Usually I'm struggling with the tear strips. But that's the first layer. And then there's a tear strip for the second one that's a little hidden. Okay, that's the second layer. And the ball itself is a white plastic. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. I thought it was gonna show what it was. I forgot there was little packaging on the inside. My bad. So this is everything that comes inside of one of those surprise balls. We have a sheet detailing what the black light does, because this is a product that uses resin. So you need to cure it with either a black light or the sunlight. But my area doesn't get a lot of sun, so we're just going to be using the black light. And inside of it has safety information in multiple different languages. So next we have our collection sheet to see what items we could be getting, because this is like a blind bag. Well, it basically is. But if we start opening it up, we can see that there's many, many different items we could be creating. And I'm trying my best not to flip it over, because then it'll ruin the surprise of what we're getting. But starting from left to right, it says collect them all. And the first item is Mickey Parfait, Mini Pancakes, Ariel Bubble Tea, Moana Smoothie Bowl, Frozen Soft Serve in Cone, Mike, Sully, and Boo Donuts, Stitch Sorbet, Cheshire Cat Dog, and the ultra rare, well, it's called a super rare, is Aurora Princess Cake. It'd be really neat if we got that one. But I don't think I'd really complain about any of these. I think they're all really nice. If I were to have a favorite, probably be Ariel's Bubble Tea, because Ariel's my favorite princess. But the Frozen Soft Serve in Cone would be kind of nice. But the way our packaging is, I think we're going to be getting something bigger. Like maybe the Aurora Princess Cake, or the Mike, Sully, and Boo Donuts, or mini pancakes. I don't know which bag to open up first, so I'm just going to pick one. All right, who's ready? I'm going to use my scissors. Oh, no way! So if we take a look at the back of our collection sheet, we'll see that we got the Princess Aurora cake, and I am very excited. I didn't pick this out. My mom picked this one out for me. All right, well, that was the first package. What is that? Oh, okay. We have little sprinkles. I think this is the box for the cake. And it says Disney Princess and Aurora on alternating sides. Oh, yep, that's the cake. Okay, and it opens up. And you have a little serving spatula. Okay, is there anything else in here? Yep. Oh, that's cute. It's Princess Aurora's crown. So I assume that's decoration for the cake. And let's open up the last one, which also has a noise in it. Okay. Lots of different pieces. Okay, so first we have our black light. And it has a little Aurora on it. And then we have our serving plate for the cake to display it on. It comes in 2 pieces. It's white and it has an inner circle that is pink and then says Aurora on the front of it. Next, we have some tongs that are engraved with this kind of rose pattern. I don't tend to use those. It's just easier to pick it up with my hands. And lastly, we have some little, I guess, accessories to put on the cake. They're little roses that come in this plastic that says Aurora and then has a rose border. So this is everything that you get from one singular blind box, which I think is a lot. I don't remember what the price of these were. It's usually around $10 to $12. So that's not too bad. I'm going to zoom out the camera so we can look at the instruction sheet while we build this together. All right, so we don't need most of this for the first step. I think I'm missing something though, because we need one of those caps. I just might not have taken it out of one of the bags. This helps with putting the icing on the cake. Okay, so first we need the display table and we need the glitter clear syrup glue. And we need to take the lid off and put the other lid on it after we take the white part off. This is resin, so please be careful and not get it all over your fingers like I did the other day. So it wants us to put this down first and then put the cake on top of it like this, but I'm just gonna put it on the cake and then put it down. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of a swirl on the inside so we can make sure we get all of it. It is glittery like it said it would be. So we're gonna place this like that right on the pink inner circle. So then we're going to take the black light and use it on the item for approximately 2 to 5 minutes. That's pretty cured. So then the next step says to take the glitter clear syrup and put it all over the cake. and then use the spatula to kind of make it look nice. Alright, so the next step says to then decorate it with those roses. Okie dokie. It says to use the tongs, but I'm just going to use my hands. I want to decorate it the way that it looks. Oops. Okay, that's step 4, and there's resin on my hand already. All right, now it wants me to take this. It doesn't have little bows. Oh, I gotta put the little bows on them? Oh, geez. Okay. So it wants me to take this and place it like this. And then put the bows on it. The bows. I think if the serving tongs were thinner, I'd be more inclined to use them. But it's not really thinner than them. Okay, so that was step 5. Step 6 is to put the little sprinkles on it. Is it perfect? Nope. Did I know that going into this? Yep. I'm gonna place it. It's gonna look perfect and very pretty and very princess-like. And the sprinkles are in the way. Okay, look at that. Lamp, cake, let's cure the resin. Alright, well that's what the final product looks like. I'm very happy with how it came out. I think I can definitely leave it in the sun for a little bit longer so it cures a little bit more. But I think the design looks really cute, and I really liked everything that was in this item and everything that came in the box. So let me know what you think about the Mini Brands Create Disney collection in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!